I've just been driving along and started smelling a burning smell. And from past experience when doing Cape York, back then I had a blown shock absorber which caused the burning smell. But I pulled over again, looked underneath and found my rear spring has popped out. So it's been rubbing on the inside wall of the tyre and burning rubber. So I thought it was a pretty strong odour. So I'm going to need to jack up my vehicle and wedge the spring back into place. When jacking the vehicle, make sure you use some wheel chocks.
Also ensure that the centre diff lock is engaged, the handbrake applied, and the gearbox preferably in first gear low range.
This is just a great example to always pay attention while driving of any smells or new sounds, because you never know what's going to happen. And if you're in a remote area and you're on your own, if you had destroyed this tyre, you only got one spare left unless you're carrying two spares. So most Land Rover owners probably know exactly what their car sounds like. Every little screech or rattle, if anything changes, then be sure to stop, pull up, have a look under the vehicle and inspect it all. Anyway, I'll put this back down and keep on driving.